Hi folks, got to do another wee video here in Marmaris. I'm on the beachfront, outside Pandora bar. Apparently that's a good karaoke bar. A Scottish lassie does a karaoke in there, I've been told, and pretty good, as far as I know. Got another wee walk. La Bonita. Beach time music. Free shower. How does it look out there, folks? How does that beach look today? Eh? How does this beach look today? Really warm. The water looks perfect. You can see how shallow it is. Look at these people just. They're standing out there. Good views. Carry on walking. What's that there? Yergis Hotel. It's like a Jet 2 holiday hotel. Felix. Looks nice in there. Looks nice in there. Salt and pepper. There's your breakfast. English, Scottish. Salt and pepper bar. Probably the loudest bar in Marmaris at night. Very loud. Nice wee photo location. I don't know how warm it is today, but it's very warm. The green beach, wine dining music. That's one of the ones that's been closed. That's one of the ones that's been closed. Playing music too late, or for any other reasons, I'm not sure. But they're getting strict. Authorities are getting strict out there. Karen, walking past your bar. My Karen's flat. And that's mine, Jimmy's. Talk of the town. Motown in Northern Seoul. Casper's Beach. Another one that's been closed for, I think they're closed for a week this time. Shame, we're losing a lot of money. Ada Beach. Well, these wee bars look lovely, don't they? A shade, stop off, have a nice cold drink. and then move on to the beach, cool down in the water. Felix again, Felix Garden, this one's called. That's next door to Stella. Stella's got a pier, you can go and get your food, sit on the pier. Big screen in there, so like the sports. Like 0 in the water. With Stella you can go into that pier, have your food and drink. Feel a nice cool breeze. Roman Abramovich's boat again. In the distance. It's Roman Abramovich's boat now. Berthed here for a few years now. Won't be going anywhere soon. Anyway, on we go. How good does this look? Take your drinks out. There's a 2A cruise ship in as well. 2A cruise ship there. Santana Fun Pub. Yeah, Santana Fun Pub, having a bit of fun in there, dancing away. Lotus Beach.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
And sunbed, and the best part here. When you want, you can join Lotus Beach. The best beach here.
Everybody in Turkey is always very friendly. You go to some holiday locations, the staff don't want to speak to you. They don't want to be at work. But
Are you from Scotland?
Aye.
Yeah, aye.
Aye, man.
Alright.
The name's Jimmy.
Jimmy. Alright, Jimmy.
James,
Jimmy.
Anyway.
My name is Elvis. When you want, ask my name. I will
Elvis.
help you, yeah.
Get your sunbed
Yeah.
on the beach.
Yeah.
And you take your drinks and food down to you.
Yes, of course.
There
We
you
do
go.
breakfast, lunch, everything.
Lotus Beach.
Lotus.
What's that, 120 lira
Yeah.
for a beer?
Cheaper than the chips.
See you later, have a good day. Cheers. There you go, always friendly here. Tiffany's restaurant, that's another, with a terrace on top, another popular one. Don't get me wrong, you come down here at night and everybody wants you to go into their bar. But it's just normal, you get that everywhere. You get it everywhere. You just learn to walk by and say no thank you, carry on. Best not to just totally ignore them. They're just trying to get you into their bar. They're running a business like anybody else is. Boom, street food and pub. This is new for the last time I was here. It's pretty decent. What do you think of this wee place, Cam? Cocktails. Chicken, beer, burgers. That's good to me. Oh. Kent pub, taped off. Everybody enjoying themselves, lying in the sun, for a dip in the sea. The sea is amazing here. It's not too cold. One dip and you're used to it. Brilliant. You stay there for ages. Love the water here. Something about the sun, the sea, Turkey. It's just perfect. It's a real good sun. Sometimes you get a wee breeze, but very rare. It's all just sun, sun, sun. The sea's just, as I say, perfect. The beach is pretty shallow. You go to Tenerife a lot and it's quite wavy at points. Parts of the beach can be quite wavy. Don't get wrong, I've been to Tenerife more than Turkey, but... How you doing, mate? Good.
Alright, mate. Yes, please. Some videos for your...
Yeah, you can go out and do your water sports here. You take a drone out and take videos.
Drone videos, everything from there.
Aye, take photos and get them put onto your phone. Transfer them onto the phone. Yeah. Peak water sports. Number 4.
The best one.
Right, okay. There you go. If you say you're on my channel, special offer. There's a marina on the lake. Beside the big 2A cruise ship. That's where you go all your boat trips as well, at that marina. Free sunbeds. Again, loads of free sunbeds here. It's one thing you don't pay for them. A lot of them, they want you to buy a drink for their bar or whatever, but that's okay. You want to buy a drink anyway sometimes. But there is plenty of free places where you don't need to buy. You know what I mean? But what's wrong with sitting front seat on the beach with a cold pint of beer or a frozen strawberry daiquiri? You know what I mean? Melted wine. I don't ask for much more than that. Don't know. Everybody's different. A wee breeze there. Ottoman Beach Cafe. Old Ottoman Empire used to rule this region. Bono. Good times. came to a fork in the road. There's your banks. I hear the red one's the best. Don't take my word for it, but I think we'll turn back and go up the street side. You can see straight along here, look. The beach goes right away down. Just feel the heat. Bring a towel here. Sit here. Need a bed, bring a chair, a towel yourself, just sit here, plant your bum down. I think I'll walk up the street. Now, be careful crossing the road here. There's a zebra crossing, but they don't always stop for you. Always keep your wits about you. Here's a wee bus coming. Marmaris. The orange bus will bring you from Marmaris to East Miller, 40 lira, 15-minute trip. East Miller Village Beach, got a beach, bars, restaurants. 40 lira there, 40 lira back. I'll not grumble with that. Now Migros Express shop. Hey, mate. Trainers and all that. So we look at trainers there. How much is your trainers? How much are these ones here?
30 like this.
Sorry, take a wee video. Look how much are these ones? On cloud, £25. Look at them. They look decent, don't they? £25 eh? Very decent. Look nice. Are they all the same price? Which one? Are these ones?
This is £30.
The Dior one's £30. £30 for Dior trainers. Decent quality. Some of your women's trainers. Prices are these ones?
Like most shoes between 25 to 30.
Around about 25 to £30. Nice there. These. Right. Crocs as well.
Yeah, Crocs is 10 up.
Tenner for your Crocs eh? £10 for your Crocs. What are these?
Shoes are set for 25.
Oh, big shoes as well. But like these, how much?
25.
£25. £25 eh? Can't you grumble with that, can you? You can't grumble with that. Thanks mate. Decent trainers in there. Another shop selling your trainers.
Right, Paul.
Hey buddy,
Where are you going?
just walking.
Take my video. Short video.
I've already been in shops, I'm going to go walking now. Maybe another day. I go in every shop, I'll never get away. There's the other side of Bono. Bag shop, all your bags. I'd like to get in every shop, but right. Keep walking. Back up the direction I came from, only roadside. Try not to be too wet here. Wire close. Oh, decent, isn't it? Come on, man. There's the wee smaller bus I was talking about, the orange one. Fancy a tattoo? The wee cafe's just off the road too. Across the road here, they're getting run over. Where's your taxi rank? Have you got a taxi? Got taxis. Some cards. Want to hire a scooter, motorbike, quad. There you go. Mountain bikes. Then a motorbike, a jeep, car, quad and bicycle. Best motor. Say folks, if you've not already guessed, I heard this is Marmaris in Turkey. The heat is amazing. It was great. Walking back up towards the centre, but nice restaurant bar. There's Loch Ness. More clothes shops. Just ahead here there's loads of clothes shops. I'm going to begin huckled into every one of them. I might need to cross the road. Yeah, I'll brave it. If you fancy a wee cold drink, there's plenty of wee shops. You certainly need it this weather. There's the beach again. Gentlemen, let me cross the road. That's a week we've been here and we're getting home tonight. Could stay longer, but we're missing my wee dog, wee Bella. We'll have a wee look in here.
What is this? YouTube?
Yes.
YouTube. You famous?
It's not like, no, I'm not famous.
Not like.
I just do it for fun.
Okay, boss.
How much is all your tops? £10?
Boss, one for £10, three for £25.
3 for 25.
Yes, come in this size.
Yep. Come and have a wee look.
Look, GD Sport.
GD Sports.
How are you?
Good, mate.
Hi
How are you?
Alex.
You Alex?
Mr. Alex. Marmaris.
Alex Marmaris.
Number 1. Seamus famous.
GD Sport.
Seamus famous. JD Sport.
The original JD Sports. The original JD Sports.
Yeah. Turkish.
Yeah. What's this one? These all what? How much are these?
Ranges.
Yeah, how much are they all?
You have a red. You have white, red, blue. You have blue. 3 different colors. And you have black one as well.
Is that the new black one? Oh no, that's not the new black one.
Yeah. One is 10
Is
pounds.
that XL?
Yeah. XL, yeah?
Yep.
Yes.
My friend asked me to pick this up.
Medium. Large. XL.
Not for me, a friend asked me to
Yeah.
pick it up.
Oh yeah.
Let me have a look.
It's very good quality.
Is that the
10,
light?
10 years guarantee.
You got another one with a wee mark on it?
Yeah, I will.
Look all the stuff in the t-shirts.
Oh my friend, other one.
Stacked from floor to ceiling.
Oh my friend.
Canada Goose in Montclair.
10 years guarantee. On this, the other one.
Take that one.
Only one.
Just one. Just one.
You have body warmers 10 pounds.
No, I don't need any. Just a shot.
Man's trucks with 20 quid.
There you go. 20 quid. £10 for the body
Yeah.
warmers.
Cheap as cheap.
There you go. People know where you are.
Come down. Come boss. Look.
You can show all prices.
Any hoodies, men's, women's, 20 quid. Good quality.
All hoodies, £20.
Yeah, it's good quality.
Right. Do you want to take mine?
And the short set. Only 25 pounds.
The short set.
Fake
£25.
quality.
Yeah, that's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Quite heavy. Now this is the original JD Sports, folks, remember?
And we have kid trucks with 10 pounds.
Kids
Kid
tracksuits.
trucks with 10 pounds.
Oh, the sports ones as well. Football ones.
Palmangers, Nike. We have North Face,
Aye.
Nike Teach, SNTR, Thread Star, Hugo
It's all
Boss.
decent. Oh, this stuff as well.
Jeans. We have jeans. Everything
Any
good
jeans,
price,
one
my
for
shop.
£30.
Armani, Boss.
How do they look? Look good to me.
We have Boss,
Boss
we have
ones as
Diesel,
well. Diesel.
Tommy
Hilfiger.
Hilfiger.
Gant. Levi's. You can get Levi's. Gant.
Gant.
Aye. They look the part.
It's TikTok, yeah?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you're very popular. How many people follow you?
I've not a lot, I've just started doing it for fun. I'm just doing it for fun, I'm walking about. Done a few in Tenerife,
You know famous?
Scotland, yeah. Not too famous now.
Yeah. You know...
But maybe the shop will make me famous.
you know that lower foot?
Right folks, I'm going to go off there now. Speak to you later.